Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. Today we are making a healthy and super easy vegetable recipe. It is a Yu Choy stir fry, and what we need are chopped garlic, olive oil, oyster sauce, freshly ground black pepper, and Yu Choy. They look like these, and they are yummy once they're cooked. Wash your vegetables thoroughly before you cook them. So let's get started and follow along. Cut all the Yu Choy like these, about 2 inches long, and set aside for cooking. Now we're ready to do our stir fry. Start with high heat. Add the olive oil. Heat it up for about a minute or two. Now we are ready to add our garlic. All of it. Can you hear the sizzling sound? Saute for about a minute or two, or until the aroma comes out. Now we are ready to put our Yu Choy, all of it. Cover the Yu Choy for about a minute, not too long. Don't overcook your vegetables. Goody goody. Turn the heat off and we're done. Isn't that easy to do? Set aside.